Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
So this is the first time in South Goa, at least as far as I know, this is the South Goa's first village panchayat who have done the concept known as Geo-Spatial mapping. This is a very special software integration wherein you can integrate the Google Map, Google Earth, land survey departments, survey plans, and now the regional plan also. So all this will be integrated in one software where we can find out the road data, you can say the road inventory we can do, structure inventory we can do, the open spaces inventory we can do.
And here I am at the village panchayat of Betalbatim, where we have created the Goa's first geospatial map. And what happened here is I noticed that every village panchayat in the Gram Sabha there was lot of arguments and queries about proposals and planning. And the biggest gap in the village planning was having the ground truth, the ground validation data. And so that is why I felt where my technology, that is geospatial mapping, the drone mapping integrated with the plans, could give the actual ground reality to the people and help in the planning. So now that we have done the entire village mapping, we have a foundational data set that will serve as the base for planning our village for its sustainable future and also to preserve our natural resources.